guy right here, Micaiah the Farmacist, Freehaven Farms. I want to show you something right here. You see that? Those are Anthocyanins. It's really red Russian kale. It's red kale that we grow, and it has Anthocyanins in it. Anything purple, Anthocyanins. There's so many good things about Anthocyanins, these red and purple foods. Look it up. See what Anthocyanins are good for. But know the personality of your plants. I teach this in the Grow Your Own Garden Club. Yes, I have some nice curly kale over here, but over here I have this red Russian kale, which is really tolerant of the cold weather. So up here in New Jersey, when it gets freezing cold, I want to have things that are tolerant to the cold weather that I'm planting. So I'm intentional about planting these guys right here in August to make sure that as I go through the cold weather, I have a cold tolerant plant that's growing. And besides it just being tolerant of the cold, it has those anthocyanins that you're gonna kind of need more during the cold season. Anthocyanins, those are antioxidants. That's a certain group of antioxidants that are good for you. Like I said, look it up. But during this time of year, you need that. I can show you guys videos and pictures of me harvesting this stuff in the snow. All kale can't do that, but red Russian kale is pretty tolerant of the cold. You know what it is. Make sure it's seeded. You dig? Stay rooted. Keep growing. Bless.